Hey guys, Matt with Chrome Donkey here for a real fast video. I just wanted to follow this up from the CB installation video. If you guys remember in that, when we ran all the wires up to the top, I told you that I left that 3.5mm extension tucked in right behind the CB, just in case I needed an external speaker, and I definitely did. The little built-in speaker just wasn't enough, so we've now got it connected, and what we've got is the original Mopar Jeep external CB speaker. Now, not really a better or cleaner way, in my opinion, to hide that wire, so I just kind of tucked that back under the trim panels, ran it all the way across, and as you might imagine, up through the top, just tucked it behind this plastic trim, and that's it. So very, very simple and quick installation. Just used 2 self-tapping screws, just mounted it right up here behind this little panel. So I think the install there is fine. It's in a good spot. It does not block the rear view mirror, and when you kick on the CB, I mean, I don't know if you'll be able to tell this in the video, but this thing puts out way more audio than the built-in speaker on the CB. So I definitely like this mod. It's going to be a lot closer to my ear, so when I'm driving down the road with maybe the freedom panels off or the top off or maybe the doors off, I'll still be able to hear what's going on with the CB. So again, real quick mod. This thing finally came in. It took about 2.5 weeks to get here. I really love the Jeep insignia, the little Easter egg there with the Jeep going up the hill. I think it looks good where it is. Again, I looked everywhere else, could not find a better spot to mount it. This is up and out of the way. It doesn't interfere with any accessory. It's not going to hit anybody's head, and it's pretty much as close to my ear as I could find. So again, not a massive fan of drilling holes in the Jeep, but it is a Jeep. You got to mod it. You know, not everything can be just a clean bolt-on. So I think this is in a good spot. What do you guys think? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit subscribe. And if this video was interesting, you liked it, give it a thumbs up. And hit the notification bell so you'll be alerted when I post new videos on the Gladiator. A lot more to come. I got a lot of stuff coming this weekend, including bumpers, winches, front fender brackets, all kinds of stuff, inner fender liners. So we're definitely going to tweak this thing out. So stay tuned for more, guys. Have a good day.